The other day, I was thinking about how we all want something better. Whether it's our careers, relationships, health, or personal growth, we all have something that we wish we could improve. And there are so many things out there that promise to get us what we want. But what if I told you that the answer has been right in front of us the whole time? In today's video, we are going to talk about how to unlock your inner architect and design your ideal life with vision boards. Both digital and real, we're going to cover the power of vision boards, how to make them, how to use them, and most importantly, how they will help you to manifest your dream life. So grab some paper, a pen, and your favorite beverage because it's gonna be a good one. If you're new here, welcome. I'm a certified positive psychology life coach. And on this channel, we talk about all things self-growth and personal development. If that sounds like your kind of thing, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. What is a vision board and why should I make one? A vision board is a creative way to map out your dreams and goals. By putting together images, words, and quotes that represent what you want to achieve, you're able to visualize your ideal future and bring it to life. But don't worry, I know that sounds a little woo-woo, so let me break it down for you. You see, when you set goals without a clear plan or a way to keep yourself accountable, it's easy to lose motivation or get distracted by other priorities. That's where vision boards come in. They serve as a constant reminder of what you're working towards and help you stay focused and motivated even when things get tough. Plus, the process of creating a vision board is incredibly empowering. It allows you to take control of your future and actively shape it in the direction you want to go. You're not just sitting back and hoping for the best. You're taking action and making things happen. Now, you might be wondering, is there any evidence to support the use of vision boards? And the answer is yes. In fact, there is a growing body of research that suggests that visualization can be an effective tool for goal achievement. For example, a study published in the Journal of Graduate Medical Education found that residents who visualized themselves performing procedures were able to do so with greater confidence and accuracy. Another study published in the British Journal of Psychology found that students who visualized themselves completing a task were more likely to stick to their study plan and achieve their goals. Basically, it's all about setting clear intentions and creating a roadmap to follow. And that's exactly what a vision board can help you do. So let's get into it. How do you make a vision board? There are two types of vision boards that you can make. One is a digital vision board, which can be made on platforms like Pinterest or Notion. And the second is a physical vision board, which can be made on a poster board or corkboard. Both types are equally effective, so choose whichever you prefer. Let's start with the digital vision board. This is a great option if you're not that crafty or if you want something that you can easily change up as your goals evolve. To create a digital vision board, you can use a platform like Pinterest or Notion. Pinterest is a great option because it allows you to create a secret board where you can collect images and quotes that inspire you. You can also use keywords to search for specific things that you want to manifest, such as wealth, abundance, or success. Once you've collected a few images and quotes, you can create a new board and start pinning. You can organize your board by creating sections for different areas of your life, such as your career, relationships, or personal growth. If you're looking for something a little more customizable, then Notion is a great option too. With Notion, you can create a board from scratch and add images, quotes, and other elements to it. You can also use Notion's built-in tools to set reminders and deadlines for yourself, which is a great way to stay on top of your goals. Now, let's talk about the physical vision board. This is a great option if you want something that you can look at every day to stay motivated. Plus, the act of creating a physical vision board can be a fun and creative activity in itself. To make a physical vision board, you'll need a large poster board or corkboard, magazines, scissors, glue, and any other decorations you want to add. Start by cutting out images and words from magazines that represent your goals and aspirations. You can also print out images from the internet or create your own artwork. Once you have all of your materials cut out, arrange them on your poster board or corkboard in a way that is pleasing to you. You can use different colors and textures to create a visually appealing board that inspires you. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to make a vision board. It's all about expressing yourself and getting creative. Now that you've created your vision board, it's time to put it into action. The key to making a vision board work is to place it somewhere where you can see it every day. If you made a digital vision board, you can set your phone as background to one of the images or create a screensaver for your computer. If you made a physical vision board, you can hang it in your bedroom, office, or anywhere else you spend a lot of time. As you look at your vision board every day, take a few moments to really visualize yourself achieving your goals. Imagine what it would feel like to have achieved everything you've set out to do. Use this feeling of accomplishment to motivate you as you work towards your goals, and remember to be patient with yourself. Achieving your goals takes time and effort, but it's definitely possible. Just stay focused and keep moving forward. I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever used a vision board before? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're already watching this video, chances are that you're interested in improving your life. And one way to do that is by setting goals. But setting goals isn't enough. You need to have a plan to achieve them. That's where a vision board comes in. It's a visual reminder of your goals and a great way to stay motivated, so why not give it a try? Create a vision board for yourself and watch as your dreams start to become reality. And if you're looking for more tips on how to achieve your goals, I'd recommend checking out my video on how to set goals that actually work. Thanks for watching and happy goal setting. Okay, now it's time for the fun part. Let's build a long exercise. Grab your laptop, a pen, and a piece of paper, and let's get started. First, visit Pinterest and create a new secret board. Then search for images and quotes that represent your goals and aspirations. You can search for things like wealth, abundance, or success. Save any images that catch your eye or resonate with you. You can also add a description to each image so you can remember why you saved it. Next, go to Canva and create a new design. Choose a poster board as the template. Now let's drag and drop the images that you saved on Pinterest into the poster board. Arrange them in a way that feels good to you. You can also add text boxes to include quotes or affirmations that inspire you. Finally, download the poster board and print it out. Get creative and have fun with it. There's no right or wrong way to make a vision board. It's all about expressing yourself and setting clear intentions. Don't forget to put your vision board somewhere where you'll see it every day. That way you'll be reminded of your goals and inspired to take action. Now, I want to see your vision board. Share it in the comments below or on social media and tag me. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to make a vision board. Remember, you are the architect of your own life. So take charge and build the life you want. Until next time, happy manifesting.